Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Profitec Pro 600 espresso machine. Now for this machine, we did a bit of work. We had to do a tune-up and we have to replace the vacuum release valve. I'm just gonna use it right here. Was leaking. So we also had to replace the relay as it was having an intermittent issue. The machine will just completely heat up and then once in a while it will just stop. It will not heat up at all and we will just turn it off and then on, and the machine will just work normally for like 2-3 hours straight, and then it will just turn off once in a while and it will not pressurize. So we were dealing with an intermittent issue, but we were able to find out the cause of the issue. This one over here is the relay. This one controls the brew temperature of the boiler, and what was happening is that the relay was basically not letting the brew boiler get up to temperature, so the steam boiler will not get hot at all, because this machine, the way it works, it needs to heat up the brew boiler first before it actually starts heating up the steam boiler. So because the brew boiler was never ready, the steamer boiler would not initially heat or do anything like that. So yeah, we were dealing with that intermittent issue. It was this one over here that was just malfunctioning intermittently. So we replaced that, and now we had the machine working for a few days with us. We already pressurized it a couple of times, removed some of the water. So we already been working with this beautiful machine. We also had to reset the PID settings as well, and we left it at 1.2 bars of pressure, 122 Celsius. So yeah, that's what we did with this beautiful machine. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this beautiful machine. We're going to be using the steamer and then the hot water. Now I'm going to just get this thing here. Start doing that beautiful shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise we're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. I am using the grind that we use for our Lili Bianca. It's a bit finer, but as you can see, this machine can actually push it. There's no leaks coming out from the group head or anything while this machine is extracting. You can see the extraction, it's a little slow, but we're still seeing that beautiful stream of coffee coming out from this beautiful machine. Struggling a bit because we're using a very, very fine grind. But it's still able to pour it out, and as you can see, we're having a nice, beautiful crema. Now that it's shining through the portafilter itself, it's getting a much easier pressure for the machine to handle. 9 bars. As you can see, nice shot of espresso. Focus. Nice shot of espresso coming out from this beautiful machine. Good crema, good color. And like I said, we were using our Lili Bianca grind, which is much, much finer for these machines. As you can see, nice shower coming out from nice shower flow coming out from the group head. Nice steady stream as well, working excellent. The steam having a really good pressure coming out from the one. And hot water, as you can see, working really, really well. Excellent flow, working great. And the water pump filling up the boiler and getting the machine up to temperature once again, and to replace the water that we just removed from the machine. So there you have it, Profitec Pro 600 working once again, heating up and ready to brew. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching. And I'm drinking this shot. It looks really, really good.